We knew we had something special with this building. College Hall, being one of the original buildings, it's the iconic representation of Montclair State University for us. And then there's the note, a note that was carefully placed and preserved inside a void in the wall.
And I was roughly right about here, and I went through the wall, and I heard glass breaking. And then I found the note. And that's when I read the note, and I looked at the date, and I said, July 3rd, 1907. This is 2019. I'm like, this is 112 years old.
So we had the help of a family historian who had this incredible, carefully organized album of records and photos. We used census data, city directories, and newspaper clippings.
That's what makes a mystery intriguing and interesting, when you can start to put the pieces together with documentation and things like that.
Back then, blood, sweat, and tears went into building this wall, and sweat, and then when we found the bottle, a little bit of tears was shed when we found it.
Finding their families has been a tremendous lesson on the interest in genealogy.
Really? So you found a granddaughter that lives in Florida?
Knowing that we've actually located some of the descendants, we're preparing to show that note because we think it is part of our history.
Sometimes you have to take a leap of faith based on the overwhelming documentation that you have available to you.
The bricklayers literally built the foundation for higher education at Montclair State University and are now written into its history. Finding their families just proved to be an irresistible treasure hunt.